Hello everyone, Apple has just released the second beta of iOS 18.3, and there are some exciting changes that have caught the attention of many users. While there's no official release date, we expect the public version of iOS 18.3 to arrive in February, following Apple's usual release patterns. Some are even speculating that the third beta could come as soon as next week, so we're not far from more updates. If you decide to try out Beta 2, you'll see that it's around 700 megabytes in size, though this can vary a little depending on your current iOS version and device. The build number is 22D54D, which indicates that Apple might be wrapping up the beta phase soon, meaning fewer betas could remain before the final release. Now, what about performance? Beta 2 brings more stability and smoother performance. Many users have noticed apps launching faster and the overall system feeling more responsive. Face ID, which is crucial for many users, also seems to be working better now, with fewer issues, especially after restarting the phone. Benchmarking shows a slight improvement in multi-core performance, with CPU scores increasing from 2964 to 7356. There are a few smaller but interesting changes as well. For example, continuous calculations, such as multiplying by the same number repeatedly, can now be done easily by just pressing the equal button several times. In terms of visuals, Apple has made noticeable improvements in photo generation and even details like hairstyle representation. Additionally, speed and performance improvements have also been made when processing emojis and images. Other exciting tweaks include the option to block voice calls, a feature that many users have been asking for due to earlier limitations. Also, Apple may soon introduce a new app that would help users manage invites separate from apps like Calendar or Reminders. For users in the EU, there's a possibility to set default mapping in translation apps, which would be a great addition. Along with that, there may be enhancements to Siri and other smart features, like the possibility of receiving priority notifications to make everything feel even more streamlined and personal. PayPal integration in Apple Wallet is another potential feature that might be launched with iOS 18.3 or shortly after. That would allow users to make payments with PayPal, which is a big convenience. For those of you concerned about battery life, Beta 2 has shown some good results here. 76% of users said their battery performance was either the same or even better compared to iOS 18.2. Additionally, there have been fewer complaints about overheating, something many had noticed in previous updates like iOS 18.2.1. Glitches, lag, and other annoying bugs have also been reduced, making the overall experience smoother. So, overall, iOS 18.3 Beta 2 is shaping up to be a solid update with a mix of small improvements and smoother, more stable performance. Whether it's speeding up Face ID, making calculations easier, or improving battery life, this update looks like it's on track to improve the iPhone experience for everyone. I hope this video has helped you get a better understanding of what to expect from iOS 18.3. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay updated with more news on iOS updates and features. See you next time.